An electric transformer caught on fire suddenly at Durga Chowmuhani market in the capital Agartala. However, the fire service personnel brought the fire under control. After the electric transformer was caught on fire, the people nearby immediately informed the fire service personnel. After that, the fire service personnel brought the fire under control. The market narrowly escaped from a massive fire incident. The people of the market area were frustrated to the fire service for arriving lately at the incident place. However, the people nearby has no idea how the transformer caught on fire. Report by Pranav from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.